We have seen that for the equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, we have the roots x is equal to plus or minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. These is the roots. Now children, if you have, let us concentrate on this part. B square minus 4ac equal to 0. If this is 0 children, then what will happen? Let us see what x will become. X will become minus b plus or minus square root of 0, because this term is 0. So upon 2a. So that is minus b plus 0 upon 2a. So that is minus b upon 2a. Right? So children, we are not getting plus or minus two different नहीं आता है, एक ही आता है. So that means both the roots are same. So what conclusion can be drawn? That the roots are real and equal. Now what do you mean by real? I'll just tell you about the imaginary things, then you will understand. I hope you are knowing the real numbers, which includes the rational number and irrational number. So all that things comes under the real. So you have in the number system, real number is there and whose value is minus b upon 2a. So you will have two roots, minus b upon 2a and minus b upon 2a. That way it will be. Right? Now let us see what will happen if b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. So obviously you are going to have x is equal to minus b plus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a, and you will have x is equal to minus b minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So children, here the roots will be real. You may get some surds आ सकता है स्क्वायर रूट के अंदर, कोई नंबर सर्ड्स हो सकता है. Okay, but you will get real and they are two different, so they will be unequal. Right? And suppose if at all you are getting b square minus 4ac as negative. Now let us see what happens is. Up till now we have seen the cases this type of in your previous exercise. So let us see now, if at all b square minus 4ac is less than 0, then what happens is, then what is the problem children? This is 0. So what is the value of x? X is minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. हाँ, now observe this part. ये कुछ नेगेटिव नंबर है. सपोज फॉर एग्जाम्पल इसका आंसर आया -5. एक एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं. Suppose the example is minus b, minus 5 suppose. So minus b plus or minus square root of minus 5. अभी ऐसा कभी देखा है क्या स्क्वायर रूट की साइन के अंदर नेगेटिव नंबर? अप टिल नाउ सर्ड्स में भी नेगेटिव नंबर नहीं था. We used to have positive whole numbers, right? Positive rational numbers used to have. So that is the problem. You cannot have a minus sign here. So if you have square root of minus, can you find it? Do you know it how to do it? I don't know. You have many more methods when you learn mathematics in future in 11th and 12th, which is called as the complex numbers. But presently you are not aware of square root of minus 5. ऐसा कभी नंबर आपने किया नहीं है. So this is something which is not real. Do you agree? This number is not real because square root कैसा होता है? Square root किसका होता है? Either 0 or any positive number. You cannot have negative number in a square root sign, ना? हाँ? So these are not real numbers. So important thing is, if this is negative, this is not real. So what we can say, b square minus 4ac. Say this children, this we denote it sometimes by the notation delta. Okay, so this delta, which is a Greek, letter which is used to denote this discriminant, that is b square minus 4ac. So if this b square minus 4 is, that is delta, if it is greater than 0, you will get real and unequal. If delta equal to 0, you will get real and equal. But if delta is less than 0, you will get not real. उसके बाद में आगे कैलकुलेशन करने की बात ही नहीं आता है. Okay, so is it clear? So for example, let us do the activity given on page number 44. Fill in the blanks. The value of discriminant given, say it is 50. So what will be the nature of the root? Nature of the root is how the root will look like. It will be 50. 50 is the positive number. So how we are going to have real and unequal. So your answer in the box will be real and unequal. And if you have minus 30, what you will write down? The roots are not real.
Not real.
And if you have a 0, then you can write down real and equal. So children, you have to decide. Sometimes the questions will be there. Tell the nature of the roots. So what you are supposed to do is you have to just find out the b square minus 4 and you can say this according to the values. So we are going to have the sums related to it where we are going to say whether the roots will be real or not. तो उसमें roots निकालने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. What you are supposed to do is you just find out the value of delta and you will be able to do it. So let us solve the sums based on it. Okay. Before going to it, let me just talk about little bit about the you can say the equation. How is the equation formed if you have the alpha and beta as two roots? Is this part clear? So children, as we have what we have taken, x is equal to minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So if it is plus, I used to tell this as a alpha. And what was beta? Beta was minus b minus 4b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Right? So what we had a roots? Alpha and beta. And so suppose alpha and beta are the two roots. What does it mean? That x is equal to alpha and x is equal to beta. Alright. That means what? X minus alpha equal to 0.
Miss, your voice is speaking a lot.
And x minus beta equal to 0. So x minus alpha equal to 0 or x minus beta equal to 0. So these are the two things. So children, can I say that x minus alpha into x minus beta? Okay, just a minute. What we used to write down? X is the end नहीं और आता था ना? Yes. So x is equal to alpha or x is equal to beta. So that means either x minus alpha equal to 0 or x minus beta equal to 0. So what does it mean? ये 0 है या तो ये 0, उसका प्रोडक्ट तो 0 पक्का होगा ही. Right? So x minus alpha equal to 0 or x minus beta equal to 0. So open the bracket children. X को x minus बीटा से मल्टीप्लाई करो, वापस अल्फा को x माइनस बीटा से मल्टीप्लाई करो. व्हाट यू विल गेट? एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस बीटा एक्स माइनस अल्फा एक्स प्लस अल्फा बीटा इक्वल टू 0. Just when you open the bracket, I hope you are clear with the opening of the bracket. All the terms inside the bracket has to be multiplied by the term which is outside. So x into x is x square, x into beta is beta x, minus alpha into x is alpha x, and minus into minus becomes plus, alpha into beta is alpha beta. So if I write systematically children, alpha को पहले लिखती हूँ, हाँ, minus alpha x minus beta x plus alpha beta equal to 0. अब ये दोनों की साइन माइनस है, तो लेट मी टेक द माइनस साइन कॉमन, सॉरी माइनस साइन कॉमन नॉट अल्फा, माइनस साइन कॉमन लूँगी मैं, तो अल्फा प्लस बीटा इंटू एक्स, आई होप सी माइनस अल्फा एक्स माइनस बीटा एक्स, इज इट क्लियर? जस्ट चेक इट, ओपन करके देखो, ये आता है ना, प्लस अल्फा बीटा इक्वल टू 0. So this is nothing but a quadratic equation, isn't it? So what I have, x square minus alpha and beta were what? Roots of the equation. So what I am having? Minus के साथ में sum of addition of the roots, sum of the root or addition of the roots. So sum of the roots into x, and then plus, what is it? Alpha beta means what? Product of the roots.
Multiplication.
So product of the roots. So this is how the equation. So children, in a way I am learning. अगर मेरे को कोई रूट दे रहा है कि चलो इसके कोई एक इक्वेशन के ये रूट्स है, तो आप उसमें से क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन बना सकते हो ना, because see with any value alpha and beta I am able to do that. What you have to do, x square, फिर माइनस की साइन, don't forget माइनस की साइन, माइनस सम और फिर प्लस प्रोडक्ट, isn't it? So isn't it simple? So let me have an example of it. ठीक है, ट्राई करते हैं इससे. I am keeping the equation here in front of you and I am giving you the roots. We will try to get the equation. So I am on the page number 40, activity number 1. Write a quadratic equation if the addition of roots is 10 and the product is 9. Yes? So what they have given, addition of the roots मतलब क्या, alpha plus beta they had given as 10 and product of root मतलब क्या, alpha into beta, alpha into beta they have given as 9. So what will be the equation? X square minus क्या तो होगा, addition of roots क्या है, 10 है, so 10 into x plus
9 number block केला कोणी बोलले block केला
9 equal to
नाही केलं तू बोलत होती ना ते block केला नाही केलं असं बोलत होते मी क्लास मध्ये.
all right. And second one,
Mute your mic.
what will be a quadratic equation if alpha is 2 and beta is 5? So alpha 2 beta, what will be alpha into alpha plus beta? 2 plus 5 which is 10, and alpha beta is equal to 2 into 5. So that comes out to be, sorry, this 2 plus 5 it will be 7, 2 into 5 will be 10. So sum is 7 and product is 10. So
अशी सुंदर तारीख 1/9/2021 रामकृष्ण हरी विठ्ठलांच्या दर्शनाने सप्टेंबर
minus 7x plus 10 equal to 0. X square minus 7x plus 10 equal to 0.